Kenya iri na makiria ya atwarithia a boda boda milioni 1.4. Ino ari sekta imwe ya iria ithondekaga mbeca nyingi muno guku bururi-ini o mwaka.
Kupata nafasi ya kuja kushiriki siku.
Umuthi Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni ageire na mweke wa gucemania na atwarithia a boda boda itura-ini ria Pumwani guku Nairobi. Mucemanio uria ugwikinyitio ni atongoria ngwataniro ya atwarithia a boda boda kuma kaunti ciothe 47 kuria mageire na kanya ga gwikiranira ngirimiti na kambuni tiganite kumateithiriria kwirugamia na njira ya kwambiriria thuthaiti yao.
The Uhuru Sovereign Trust Fund will be an umbrella fund. It's like a highway, which will have the Boda Boda Unit Trust Fund as the first sub-fund. There will be many others coming because we want to cater for all the youths, and we are making a great example with the Boda Boda riders.
Akiaria hindi ya mucemanio uyu, Mutongoria wa bururi augite sekta ino iri na uhoti munene wa kururumura ukuria wa bururi na guthondeka mbeca nyingi ona gukira iria kaunti ciothe 47 ciamukagira o mwaka.
And I'm pleased because the Boda Boda business is one of the what we might call economic miracle stories that has yet to be told. If we go back in time, it started as a small business, basically driven by necessity.
Hari o muthenya a Kenya matanyihire milioni 2 ni makuagwo ni boda boda magithie mihango-ini yao ya o muthenya. Atwarithia a boda boda makigerererio guthondeka muigana wa ciringi milioni 980 o muthenya na ciringi bilioni 6.8 hari kiumia. Thiini wa mweri magithondeka muigana wa ciringi bilioni 27 ona makiria.
Si muko na pesa yenu? So mutakuwa na hiyo nguvu ya kusema to negotiate, because now mukiambiwa na mtu hii insurance hii tunataka tulipe hii na mtu anasema hapana, mnasema no problem, tutaenda kwa mwingine.
No ona magithondekaga mbeca nyingio na banene ni ya aria magumirwo ni ukia kuona matihotaga kwiigira muthitho. Mutongoria wa bururi akihinyiriria ati urumwe wao noguo ungimarugamia mahote gwikuria.
And I believe that if you come together under a scheme like this, organize yourselves, and with the support of government, I believe there is nothing you cannot achieve for yourselves, for your families, and indeed for your country.
Ona kuhanora uguo akimuria gwithema uteti utari na kiguni na handu-ini ha uguo kwarira mitaratara ya uria rucio rwao rungikara riria magatiga wira uyu.
Kwa sababu unajua ukitumia kitu shelf life yake ikiisha unafanya nini? Si unatupa. Kuna kitu kingine unafanya naye. Kama kitu umemaliza utumizi yake, na ndio mnaona mnatumia wakati ya uchaguzi, ndio nyinyi mmejazana uchaguzi ukiisha basi.
Mutongoria wa bururi ni ameriire uteithio wa thirikari gutigirira kuhitukira thuthaiti iria mekwambiriria o mundu ni aria mukagira thithino yake aria mehokeirwo urugamiriri wa ikundi ta ici makiurio kwigiririka na kwihokeka.
As leaders, there is a trust deficit. And you have a huge responsibility to be able to inculcate a culture of integrity, of dignity, so that those that you lead are able to have trust that their resources and their assets are safe in your hands.
Hadini ha Kameme TV Chitagogina wa Wadiro
kuja kushiriki siku hii ya leo. Mheshimiwa Rais